You have 5 days. 5 days. Hey there, YouTube. It's me, the evil rabbit. Now, a couple days now, I've noticed something. I think my refrigerator is haunted. Dun dun dun! Yeah, haunted. Well, every day when I come to my refrigerator, I notice it keeps leaving me weird messages with refrigerator magnets. Like this one I found today. Look, it's over here. I hate you, evil. That's my refrigerator. It's supposed to love me and keep all my food nice and chilly. Brrr. Yeah, but it hates me. Stupid refrigerator. I don't know what to do. Like yesterday's told me, beware, there's a pig in your fridge. I opened it up and, yep, there was a bacon sandwich in there, alright. But the weird thing is, check this out. Mr. Refrigerator, do you really hate me? What? Stupid. What now? So, what am I supposed to do now that you hate me? What? Now you want to eat me? You're a refrigerator. How are you supposed to eat me? That's stupid. So now what do we do? Watch DirecTV 101. Well, now we agree. Stupid refrigerator. At least let me have something to eat while I watch DirecTV.